Real quick one for you guys today, man. Got the intake out. I'm not about to install it today. I really just wanted to do like a once over, kind of clean it up before I get to putting everything on here. And I'm also waiting for some Hellcat injectors. Now, where I'm kind of held up is I'm not sure if I use the 392 fuel rails. I'm pretty sure if I use the 392 fuel rails, I have to get the car retuned for sure. Right, so obviously my tuner doesn't live here, so we're doing the tuning remotely. So I don't want to install it and then my car is a dud because it needs to tune immediately. I know for a fact if I use the 5.7 injectors and fuel rails with this intake, it'll run. You know what I mean? Obviously, to get the best performance out of it, it still needs to be tuned, and it will be. But I want to make sure like my car isn't down specifically because of the tune, you know what I mean? So, you know, I'm just waiting for my tuner to message me back on that. But in the meantime, I told y'all we had another mod coming, and that would be this here rear diffuser for the big 300, right? And this one is a little different from, you know, most guys you'll see, they'll use the Charger and you know, the newer generation rear diffuser, right? Well, this one, let you see the beauty of this one is actually made for the Gen 1 300, man. You probably never even seen this before, right? Because I hadn't seen it. They don't make one of these in the US. I had to get this from a company based out of the UK. But just look at the fitment on it, man. Look how perfect it is. Like, you don't have to fit anything for it to work. You know what I mean? Now, it doesn't allow you to use quite as big of tips, I don't believe. Let's see. So you got a little space on this side, a little space on that side. To be honest, we probably can get a 4.5. This is a 3.5, the pipe I have on here right now. We probably can get a 4.5 in there for sure. I'm not 100% sure on a 5-inch. But yeah, man, look at that. Look at how that fits. Literally just place it, put it in place, pop the screws in, and she's good to go. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Actually, these tips don't look terrible. Just with the placement that they have. So I think I'm gonna run it like right now, even without these tips. So let me get this drilled on. Like, I'll probably do, you know, one screw here, and then just continue that pattern all the way down. So let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, about 14 screws I'm gonna put in it. It should be good to go. You see this all slick, man. This is from my old Crown Victoria. For my OGs that been here for a while, y'all know that car had a crazy oil leak at a point in time. Tore up my garage, but we're about to change this floor anyway, so won't be any problem. But yeah, man, so let me go ahead and get this on, and then I'll get this car out of here and we'll take a look at it. You know. All right, here she go, guys. Guys, so that's it for the install, man. Y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think about the rear diffuser. I will have the product link in the description box, so you know, if y'all have early Gen 300, you can go ahead and copy one of those. You know what I'm saying? Also, if you're new here, please consider subscribing, man. Hit the like button, all that good stuff. You know, the more y'all click the like button, the more YouTube will push the video, the more money I can get paid, the more mods I can put on a car. So y'all help me out, and I will keep the content coming, you know. But anyways, man, y'all be easy. That's all I got for this